We have an Asian restaurant, Yu. Here's another one. I think that's the Yu Express. And here they have barbecue noodles. Beautiful. Here's the Italian restaurant, the Marino. They do have a prefix menu. Right now it's too early for the nice restaurants to be open. Here's Puro. So Kuro has appetizers, tempura, pan-rolled sushi, and they do have a happy hour Thursday and Sunday, 5 to 6, all items, $11. Council Oak, that's your steakhouse. Holiday bar at the lobby lot. We'll have to check that out. This is one way you can get out to the boardwalk. Right at the Hard Rock Cafe. This is always one of our favorites. Here's the bar area. Lady Gaga. And Rufus Wainwright. Here's part of the bar again. Kurt Cobain. And Mickey Martin. Next door we have Burger and Hops. Okay, here we go. Here's how you get into the sugar factory. Here's sound waves. That's where you go if there's a concert or any entertainment. Outside of the lobby area. Around the corner is where you do check in. And here's a lounge that we'd like to go to. You get off of the escalator, there is the Unity Players Club. So on the upper level, we have the Mediterranean Pavilion. That looks beautiful. Okay, right next door we have White House submarine. This is the stop we always come to. They have the best Italian.
No, no say nada. Mira.
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 Ay, Dios mío. I grew up with Spanish people.
Pizza. Oh, look at this. This looks yummy.
That one. one.
Here we have the green bar. Fried rice, vegetable romaine, mixed vegetables, string beans, General's chicken, next we have gelato. This looks yummy. It's open 24/7. So if you stay here and you get hungry in the middle of the night, this is the place to go.